What's going on, guys? I am bored as hell, and it is raining, crappy out, I have nothing to do, so got a little bit of black vinyl left over from the project. I think we're gonna do some angry eyes, some ghetto angry eyes on my trash headlights. Yeah, I got a little bit of 3M tape here. Knifeless design tape. Just go ahead and clean these up. Honestly, they're not really that bad. Not too bad for a boring rainy day and a little bit of spare vinyl, I'd say. Feel like I got something done today. It actually doesn't look too bad. The real question is going to see how it holds up. I'm kind of sad that the tapeless or knifeless tape didn't work out too well. It's the second time so far I've messed it up. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if I got crappy tape or what the deal is, but yeah, I can't be any happier. So I appreciate all you guys tuning in, and continue watching the build. I'll see you next time.